Hello, welcome to Claire's How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder. First, you will take your egg carton, which I have cut in half, and just get that side out, and take this side and your string and scissors. And also a ruler, which was not mentioned. Then you just take the string and your ruler and cut the string so it is 12 inches. And just do that with every one. Third string. It might take 2 cuts, so just so that you be aware. And also 12 inches is all the way across the ruler. And once you have 4 strings, then that part is done. And just put the tape on the end and stick it on there. Do that with every one. Once it's done, take all of it, take all the ends of those strings and bring them to the middle and up. And get your tape in one piece and use that to tie it all together. And your bird seed, which I have right now, you can just put that in. Yeah. No. And that's how to make a bird seed for cardinals and jays.